Hi, my name's Josh, and today we'll be unboxing and assembling FARO's new hybrid reality capture solution, the FARO Orbis. The main component of the Orbis system is the handheld mobile scanner. This comes with an integrated 360-degree camera, which also comes pre-calibrated with your system. There is a reference base at the bottom of the handle, which can be used to collect reference points while in handheld mode. In addition to the scanner, there's an external data logger with pre-mounted battery. The data logger is used to store all data captured using the Orbis. The data logger comes with a shoulder strap, which can be used when scanning. There is also an external charging unit for the battery. The system comes with two power cables. One connects the data logger to the scanner, the other connects the data logger to the camera. Both need to be plugged in for the system to be operational. Finally, a quad lock mount is provided to attach a mobile device to the back of your Orbis scanner. This comes in two parts. The first part clips directly to the back of the scanner, the other attaches directly to your mobile device. In addition to the components in the hard case, a pre-assembled monopod will also be shipped. Getting started with the FARO Orbis is very simple. All you need is your Orbis scanner, data logger with battery, main cable, and phone mount. To attach the phone mount to the back of the scanner, simply slide it up onto the V-mount. The second part, now attached to the back of the mobile device, connects to the quad lock, twists, and is mounted. The scanner cable can be inserted into the port, aligning the red dots. The other cable can be inserted into the camera port and screwed tightly in place. For the data logger, power cable can also be aligned using the red dots, and the Ethernet port can be connected and clicked in. For use with the monopod, simply detach the handle and reattach the scanner head to the top of the monopod using the quick release system. The data logger can also be attached further down the monopod using the V-mount. Your Orbis system is now ready for scanning. We hope you found this video useful. For more information on the FARO Orbis, please visit the knowledge base.